Hi, and welcome to this mindful healing moment. I'm Kimberly from Crofton Yoga Wellness, and today I'll guide you through a short body scan, a gentle practice to recharge your inner battery. Before we begin, find yourself a position that feels restful. You can lie down, sit in a chair, or recline in a way that feels supported for you. If it helps, close the eyes or find a soft gaze. And as you wiggle and adjust and settle yourself in, take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale gently through the mouth. Well, let's try that a few times. And then return to your natural breath and rest. Rest in the awareness of your breath, the breath flowing in, flowing out. This practice is inspired by these words from Melody Beattie. In her book, Journey to the Heart, she writes, "Rest when you're tired. Take a break when life stalls. Take time to recharge your battery. Energy isn't something you have, it's something you are. To give and give and give, to put out without taking in, depletes your battery. It drains you and runs you down." As you settle yourself in to recharge your battery, you'll hear different body parts named. And as you hear each part named, take your attention there without moving the body and become fully aware of that part. Perhaps you also repeat the name mentally and keep the attention going, moving freely point to point. You may notice energetic sensations or perhaps physical sensations, feelings, images, nothing at all, or other phenomena. Try and allow what shows up to come and to go as it will. And bring your awareness to the top of your head. At the top of the head. Top of the head. Eyebrow center. The right eyebrow. The right temple. The right cheek. The right eye. Left eyebrow. Left temple. Left cheek. Left eye. The nose. Both ears. The mouth. The chin. Center of the throat. The right shoulder. The left shoulder. Right elbow. Left elbow. Right wrist. Left wrist. Both hands and all the fingers. Both arms. Feel the right side of the chest, the left side of the chest, navel center, the right hip, the left hip, the right knee, left knee, right ankle, left ankle, both feet, both legs, sweeping the awareness to the back of the body. Feel the back of the head, back of the neck, upper back, middle back, lower back, both glutes, the backs of both arms, the backs of both legs, the whole back body. And now feel the whole body, the whole body, the whole body just as it is. And as you rest in this awareness, say to yourself, each breath restores my inner battery. And imagine that this breath is an energy flowing in, refilling, restoring, and recharging. And as you exhale, imagine fatigue or anything that doesn't serve your highest purpose draining away, leaving space for more calm. And rest here for a moment in stillness. Know that this simple practice is always available to you, anytime, anywhere. And when you're ready, gently bring some movement back to the body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Roll your shoulders. Blink the eyes, checking in with your surroundings. Carrying the sense of recharge back into the day. And thank you for joining me for this mindful healing moment. May it help you to go out and make it a great day on purpose.